As example for this topic, we need to appreciate the real life application of this similar figures or this particular lesson. Okay, so in one of the promotions of a car company, a model car is built with scale of 1 is to 16. If the model is 15.5 inches long, what is the length of the actual car? Okay, so I think this is the two cars. No? The one car is big, the second car is very small. Okay, di na mag-catch the stick, man. The solution here is very simple. We get the ratio, which is 1 over 16. That is equal to the model. The actual model is 15.5 inches long. The 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 length is missing, so let I'm gonna let length as x, so we have to make it as x. Okay, then we're gonna solve for x. No, x times 1, that is x. 16 times 15.5, that is going to be 248 inches. Okay, so when we convert it into to centimeter, no? When we convert it to, sorry, not centimeter, it's feet actually, no? That is equal to 20.67 feet. Okay? That is another topic for conversion. No, you can visit the topic of conversion in grade 7. No, I have this kind of video how to convert the inches to feet. No, go ahead and check it, or just search what is the 240 inches to feet. Yes, the final answer would be 20.67 feet. Okay, so now I'm gonna check your skills about this Try It 5. If this given, no, in one promotion of the car company, a model car was built with the scale of 2 is to 34. If the model is 15.5 inches long, what is the length of the actual car? Same thing that we need to do here. Okay, good luck. And I believe let us I'm gonna exercise your skills in the following uh discussion or engagement when we see or when we actually have an engagement in our classroom. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from this particular topic, similar polygons, I think. That is our topic for today, similar polygons or similar triangles and polygons. See you in our next lesson.